Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna review these garden lights. So I'm gonna unbox this thing, I'm gonna install it in my yard, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So these are LED powered. There are 6 of them in one. These are something that do need to be plugged into a regular wall outlet. Each one supports 16 different colors. You can have them all show one color, or you can have them showing different colors. And then there's also this fading or motion effect that you can change with the remote control. Well, actually everything's controlled with the remote control. And you can basically have them changing colors with a lot of different patterns. So let's open this up. So here are the instructions. You do get, essentially you take the light, you screw it into this piece that goes into the ground, and this does feel like metal. And the cord length in between each is pretty much 3 meters or 9.84 feet. So I like the fact that they measured that. So should be good. So these are the little screws that go in between the lights and screw into this essentially. And these are all waterproof things that essentially screw in and then they form a watertight seal. So it's good to go. So it's 120 volts and 1 amp, and the output is 12 volts and 3 amps. So this will not work on a 240 volt. At least that's what it looks like. And 6 of these total, so there was 1 there. This is the remote control, so you could pick individual colors from this list, or you can have them select different colors, or you can have them basically changing between colors depending on which one of these options you select. And there are timers on the bottom as well. So on, off, and good to go. So basic remote control. Alright, let's take a closer look at the lights. So you can see that there are a few LEDs inside, which makes sense and should be good to go. And this part is metal, this part's metal, and this part feels like it's metal. Okay, so you take the washer, you put it on the screw, place it inside this, and basically just screw this. That's it. And you could move this around however you want. So before I show you all the color variations, I just want to quickly say that I only need one remote control to control both. So in my case, I actually opened up 2 boxes, so I'm going to use 12 lights in total, and each one has its own sensor. So you actually only need one remote control to control both. If you want to control them individually, what you need to do is either block one while you're controlling one of them with the remote control, because either remote control will work on the other one. So it doesn't actually matter because it's sending the same code. But if you want to control them individually without the remote control, you can also hit this green button and it would apply the changes only to that particular set. And the same is true for the other one. Here we go. So that concludes all the patterns, and I stood next to the tree just so you guys could get a sense of how tall these trees are and the fact that these little lights are lighting them up. The only con I can think of for this product is you do need to be fairly close for the remote control to work. I'd say within about 10 feet or so. If you start going farther away than that, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But aside from that, I like the fact that it has a whole bunch of patterns. I also like the fact that you can speed up the different patterns. So overall, I'm very pleased with this, and the quality seems like it's pretty good. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.